Alright guys, welcome back to Daily Kotoko. I'm going to give you a quick team news and injury update on the Kotoko squad ahead of the House of Oak game. First of all, Maxwell Bakor is out. Richard Senano is out. Maxwell Bakor might be back in 2 or 3 months time, while Richard Senano will be back next year. Going to the game, Ganu was suspended for 2 games. He has served his suspension and he will be in the team. Definitely, I think he's going to be in the team tomorrow to face House of Oak. Then Sonny Yakuba is not fully fit, but he will travel with the squad. Siki Akono said he will travel with the squad. He might be in the bench, maybe an impact substitute, or might not feature at all. So Siki Akono said he's not fully fit, but he's going to travel with the squad. Fatau came back from Dubai, from the Black Stars camp, and is ready. I think he will be in the starting lineup tomorrow against House of Oak, since he has been very, very, very good in this special competition. And now Muntari Tago, the goalkeeper, didn't play last match and he wasn't in the bench. It was Danlad Ibrahim that started in goal against Bercombe Arsenal, and Osei Kwame was in the bench. So I think Muntari Tago might be in the team tomorrow to face House of Oak, or Siki Akono might change his mind and decide to use Danlad Ibrahim. Nia J might also start tomorrow, but I'm going to give you my full predict. I'm going to predict my starting 11, the team I think that will play against House of Oak tomorrow. So that's it for now. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. We'll meet you tomorrow at the stadium as we watch House of Oak welcome Asante Kotoko. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.
C'est pas